I spent thousands and thousands on reps. And the one thing no one tells you is one wrong website will leave you broke and barefoot. But don't waste your money, guys. I got y'all. I got the top 5 best replica websites in 2025 to buy from. Trusted, safe, and affordable. And we're talking about clothing, sneakers, jewelry, electronics, everything. Thank y'all for coming back in. It's your boy callchris. And you can call me any time. So why haven't you? That was kind of good. So let's lock in, guys. Let's go like, comment, subscribe for your boy. Let's get into these reps.
Liquid dope, pick a poison, pretty hoes, and super motion.
And starting with the first on the list, honestly one of my favorites, and they just got me right today, is MiKicks.ru. We got some brick by bricks from them. I'm gonna pop up their Instagram for you guys right here. They have a great selection, and they have a website called MiKicks.ru, but their Instagram is where you could contact them. They can show you a full range of their inventory. They have great communication. This website, we got the MiKicks.ru brick by bricks. Let's go ahead and review these so y'all can see they are legit. This is honestly one of my favorite Jordans from this year, bro. 2025 Jordan. Nike has been going crazy in my opinion. They trying to distract us from something. I'm fully attentive on what they drop, and I can't lie. These are hitters, bro. Butter. I couldn't wait to get these because I seen these in person, and every time I seen them, they hit. Like everybody, mama, they daddy, they sister, they grandma, grandpa got these. Let's go ahead and look into the details on these. Next on the list, guys, is probably one of my favorite OG go-to is pickpop.ru. I've been buying from them for a very long time, and in my opinion, their cactus plant flea market forces probably the best on the market. Let's go ahead and look at their website. First thing first, hella reviews. That's a plus, always. But then on top of that is current sneakers they getting in, bro. You see those Balenciaga combat strike boots. They got the Amiris in, everything perfect. As well as their order process is easy. So I recently just got in these today, a pair of Bottegas, the Venetas, the Orbits, better than any DHK pair, better than most pairs I've seen online, and they have my size, so that's a plus. So yeah, these pairs right here for $182, you can't go wrong. I've seen them for like up to $200. I've seen them as much as $60, probably 60, 70 bucks on DHK, random shit. But the quality I got on these, bro, super easy. Very affordable in my opinion, and very safe, as well as this came in with under 2 weeks. So they told me it's gonna take about 2 weeks. I had a sneaker I bought way before, like some Balenciagas, some runners, and these came in before. So shout out pickpop.ru. So like I said, the Bottega Venetas, man, I love these Orbits. Absolutely killed this pair, man. Under 2 weeks, like I said, during this terrace, it's kind of crazy for it to come so fast. The dust bag, which is correct, as well as the packaging is correct too. And man, let's just get in. No, I had to get these. These are crazy, man. I don't even know if I could see these really like that. I've been waiting to get me a pair of these for so long, but pricing and the quality, you gotta make sure the bitches hit. So I made sure I did my research, looked around. Pickpop.ru never did me wrong, ever. Especially on designers to Nikes, I know they always good. I had to see what they're doing on the Bottega. Next on the list, guys, I got something a little bit different. It is my go-to agent right now, and that is Orient Dig. And I've been using them since, honestly, Panda Bot's been gone. So absolutely goated, in my opinion. Let's go right into their website, show you what they got. So Orient Dig is the
Chinese agent cheat code, straight from China. It lets you buy from sites like Weedy and 1688, Taobao, etc. Step 1, go to orientdig.com. Alright, on the website you can either search up what you want, like little Margiela gats. They sell real stuff as well, which is kind of crazy. You can search in Margiela, and it'll show you a full range of Margiela pieces, of resale pieces. It's actually $1,000. And then if you want to get more refined, you can look at Margiela gats, and then find the rep version of some Margiela gats and click from the link from there. And other options, if you have a spreadsheet and you have links, you can use the links from that spreadsheet, copy it right into Orient Dig. Boom, instant English translation, full breakdown of price, shipping, and agent fee. And you can do this with many links over and over again. Have a full cart of like shit I'm trying to buy next. You feel me? All this shit, Chrome Heart, anything, they got you. So once you add to your cart, you choose your shipping, and you can pay with PayPal, card, or even crypto. Once you buy the item, they're going to buy the item in China. They're going to send it to the warehouse in China. They're going to send you a QC of the product, and they ship it right to your door. So super simple, literally like the Chinese Amazon.
So basically, since Panda Buy has been gone, I've been using Orient Dig for most of my hauls. Can't lie. Electronics, jewelry, whatever the case may be. Like, for instance, this Chrome Heart, I got this from them. It's probably one of my favorite jackets right now, and I got that from Orient Dig, or using Orient Dig, right? Next thing also too is jewelry and electronics. Like these ones I got as a gift, favorite headphones, right? But my girl used Orient Dig to buy these, so not just me. This is literally like the Amazon for China. It's easy, super simple. The shipping is great. So get your hauls in, you feel me? I did get some chrome bracelets and a little bit of jewelry here and there. They are honestly trusted, great quality if you know what you're doing. So I have a spreadsheet in my link below if you guys want to go check that out. Yeah, man, go check out Orient Dig. The next website I got for you guys is KickMax.ru. I know I talk about them a lot. I've honestly been talking about them since I've been buying reps, because I think they're the first place I bought reps from, and they never did me wrong. Shipping, quality, and I got compliments once I first bought them. They really messed up my sneaker game journey. Like if I would have never bought from them, I would have never said, fuck it, let me just buy reps. So it's honestly one of my favorite websites to buy from. Super simple, super easy. They use Zelle for payment. This website. Talking about real structure, man, this is a great website. So let's go. If you guys want to see the full review, link is below. I'll go over these American cups, but I'm trying to get more on these. It's fire. So KickMax.ru I've been buying from consistently over the years, and they've never failed me. It's been great. So if you guys would like to go check them out, they also have sandals, accessories, jewelry, and clothing. So if you want to go ahead and pay for that, go see what they got. Go hit them up. Instagram is KickMax_shop. These are my girls, but I have a pair on the way of like the matte colorway. Going into details with these, you would not find any flaw at all. So KickMax.ru is great on shipping, customer service, and quality, and that's why top 5, bro. You shouldn't be buying from nowhere else. So next on the list, guys, I got snkkick.ru. That is my newer, more trusted, affordable website that I've been using since the beginning of this year. They've been getting me in on some good Rickies, good Balenciagas, and they are legit 1-to-1. So let's go ahead and check out their website. All right, so their website is super easy, super chill. They got reviews on there, so you know they go there, you know they trusted and affordable. And first thing you're seeing is the brick by brick Air Jordan 4s, $158. Great pricing, affordable. Quality is pretty much there. I got some Jordans from there earlier this year too. The main thing about snkkick.ru is that I just recently started using them, so I can't rate them higher on the list, but great website nonetheless and pretty trusted. So let's go ahead and get into their sneakers. We got the Balenciaga runners from them, and these are absolutely amazing, bro. There's not one flaw in this whole list. All these sneakers are 1-to-1, damn near real, and what they've been saying on TikTok and Instagram, I'm pretty sure I got real sneakers in my hand. So view these, man. I do have a review for these. If you guys gonna go watch it, it's gonna link below. But just from the first look, bro, these are super clean, super clean, no flaw. That shape hits, all the detail, distressing glue marks that comes with this pair, and like the madness are there. So man, can't complain, bro. You really can't complain. That's why snkkick.ru did make sure I got this under 2 weeks, not a week and a half from shipping. You gotta make sure of that. Yeah, shout out snkkick.ru and go check them out. All right, guys, so before we wrap it up, here's 2 honorable mentions you gotta know about. And one is gonna be Kakobuy, Kakobuy, another solid China buying agent with a clean interface and reliable shipping. Super easy to use, and if you're trying to cop clothes, sneakers, or even just home goods on here, it's really easy. So check out Kakobuy. Another sneaker plug that I've been using is callchris.ru. If you're tapped in, you know they got solid reps, bro, and great inventory. So go check out callchris.ru. So final tips, always ask for QC photos before they ship it, so you know what you're about to buy. And don't believe a site feels too good to be true. I just went through a whole bunch of websites showing you could buy great quality sneakers for a great price. So if you ever need help or have any questions, go ahead and hit me up on Instagram. I'm always looking at my DMs, always answering my DMs if anybody got any questions about the website. So that's about it today, guys. Drop your favorite site in the comments. I'll check them out. Like, comment, and subscribe, and log in with your boy. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Thank you.